Good day, essential oils and emotions. Let me show you the best essential oils for helping to overcome overwhelm and the process that I use to go from feeling overwhelmed to feeling confident and supported. And these are real game changers. And don't forget to subscribe to help you master health with essential oils and doing it naturally. Some of the common questions that I get about emotions are about overwhelm. So which essential oils are good for overwhelm? Also, which essential oils are good for stress? And which essential oils help with tension? Let's talk and focus on overwhelm. And overwhelm really is just a feeling. It's a feeling of too much. There's too much going on, that you are feeling buried or that you're drowning because of maybe things that are going on in life and that you're incapable of handling those. So you're feeling overwhelmed. And they are just feelings. You're not physically being buried or drowned, feeling that you are. And so if we can shift the way that you're feeling, even if the circumstances, the environment doesn't change, your perception of it does, how you feel about it, and your capacity to handle that, if that changes, then everything changes, right? I want to take you from a place of feeling overwhelmed to feeling I'm strong, I'm capable, I'm confident, I feel support. Those are the kind of feelings that we want to feel. And essential oils are one of the fastest and easiest ways to change our mood and emotions so that we feel differently. If you haven't watched my video on emotions and essential oils and how they work, go ahead and check that out. But I want to share with you 2 essential oils, and then I will put down in the description some other essential oils that help with overwhelm and stress and tension. The first 2 that are incredible would be basil essential oil. So that's an herb that I extract these oils from. And then aromatouch is a blend that doTERRA has created strategically that can help with overwhelm and other things. These are the 2 that I absolutely love. So I want to, first of all, just share some snippets about these and what they do for you, but then also lead you through a process. So stay with me because I'm going to lead you through the process that I follow to shift my emotions, specifically overwhelm or whatever it is I'm feeling, to the emotions and feelings that I want to feel that are empowering for me. So basil, the smell of basil oil brings strength to the heart and relaxation to the mind. And this oil is also excellent for states of nervousness or anxious feelings or despair. A great deal of, when you're having a lot of mental strain, that this brings rejuvenation to you, and it's a vital force after long periods of burnout. So if you're experiencing overwhelm because of burnout, normally you feel capable of handling something, but because of these constant stressors, which have been going on for a couple of years now, that you're feeling that burnout and overwhelm, that basil can help rejuvenate you. It also may strengthen the adrenals and restore the body to its natural rhythms of sleep, activity, and rest. So if you're dealing with challenges with that might be why you're feeling overwhelmed, is because those natural rhythms are out of balance. Aromatouch oil also assists the body in calming, relaxing. It's a massage oil, and it helps oftentimes when we have tension or stress, that we will seek out a massage, which helps to relax our muscles. Well, it's interesting that as you're relaxing those muscles, that our heart muscle also relaxes, and it helps our heart to release that tension that it's feeling. The circulation is enhanced, gives the body more flow, and so a greater ability just to do the things that is required. Now, I want to share with you what I do when I have the oil, and I will just breathe it in, or I'll put it in a diffuser. You can put some on your wrists while you're doing this, or if you have these inhalers, if you don't know about these are awesome, just a couple of dollars. They last a really long time. You can check out my video here of how to make an aromatherapy inhaler. As you're breathing it in, you're going to ask yourself these questions. Now, if it's in the moment, like I just need something really fast to deal with this overwhelm, you just grab the oil and you smell it. But if you're dealing with something that's chronic, that's been going on for a while, or you perceive it's going to go on for a while, then you may want to do this. Take some time for yourself, grab a notebook or a journal, answer these questions while you are diffusing or breathing in these oils. The first question that I would ask is, what am I trying to control? And then just go ahead and write your answer to that. And then, do I trust that help outside of myself is readily available? Because oftentimes if we don't believe that that's true, then we're feeling overwhelmed. But what evidence do you have that there is help available for you? And then here's what I want you to do is declare. I want you to declare these things. These are truths, that I am now perfectly supported in every moment. And if you have that feeling, that belief, then things are different. that I am perfectly supported in every moment, and that all things now work together for my good. So I want you to declare those things. I've seen the impact as I've gone through this process of asking those questions, getting curious about what I'm trying to control, and then declaring that I feel supported. And then the last thing is visualization. This can really help move you from overwhelmed to feeling confident and supported. And visualizing, it can be a white light that's flooding into your heart and that's supporting your back and spine. And as you just close your eyes in a peaceful moment, as you're breathing those oils in, it can help you to feel differently. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you start feeling supported and confident and capable and strong. And that's what I want for you. You can check out the videos here, like I said, in the playlist about inhalers, diffusers, how to use essential oils. If you're new to them, you can check out the resources below as well, and some of my favorite places to get oils.